Hi everyone, welcome to Informatica Support videos. Today's topic is using operational insights to fetch details of scheduled jobs. So the agenda for today is how to use operational insights to fetch the details of your scheduled jobs, and that will be followed by a brief demo. All right, so what is operational insights? So basically, Operational Insights is a service in IICS that gives you visibility into the performance and operational efficiency of your Informatica infrastructure. So you can use it to monitor your Informatica on-premises products as well as your Informatica cloud services. So in this context, I'm going to show how operational insights can be used to fetch detailed information about your scheduled jobs. All right, so first we will need to go to operational insights. And next, you go to the data integration on the left pane, and then go to your scheduled jobs. So here you can see there's a filter. You can filter maybe based on an hour, the past 1 hour, 6 hours, or even custom, right? So you pick your filter if needed, and finally click on the export, right? Give it a name. And export. And you can see the status of the export on the right side. Okay. And then after a few seconds, you will see that the export completed. And then you can click to download and open the report. All right. So this is exactly what it looks like. So you can see the task names. You can see the schedule time, information about runtime environment if available. All right. All right. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit the following link. And we would love to hear from you. You can contact us at supportvideos@informatica.com or twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.